Kia ora, g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a 3-ingredient cookie. It's just got banana, coconut and coconut flour. Now with the coconut, remember you want to use organic, just plain natural coconut. You can buy coconut that's sweetened, but it's got a lot of sugar in it, so I don't use it, and this tastes much nicer anyway. So we're just going to mash our banana, the rest of the ingredients, and bake it in the oven. That's how easy it is. So bananas are mashed. We're going to add the coconut flour, and we're going to add our fresh coconut. Now it came in big strips and I just chopped it with a knife. We're just going to mix that together, and we're going to bake them in the oven. And then if you want afterwards, you can eat them plain. You can drizzle chocolate on them. And that's it. Super easy, especially in this heat. You can't get easier than that. So this is what that's our butter. And I'm just going to take spoonfuls and pop it on my parchment tray. And then we're going to our tray like this. And I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. So I took them out of the oven and I actually ate one while it was hot. It was delicious. That coconut really comes through. It's really, really nice. So they made a nice little plateful. 3-ingredient cookies, banana, coconut flour, and fresh organic coconut. Enjoy!